Everybody, it's Hey Jon, jabbering opportunities nonstop. And guess what? Today we're going to cover AMC and Dogecoin for the evening update. Let's see what is going on. Today AMC is doing pretty darn well in my opinion. Check it out, AMC here, right? Wow. So this morning when I was covering AMC, I was saying, hey, you know what? If AMC can charge up past 60.58, they will see a nice run up, and guess what? They saw a nice run up. However, they hit the resistance around 63 bucks, around 63.50. I was saying this morning, and it hit that, and it got rejected, and now it's pulling back here, and it's hanging around 60.58. This is phenomenal. If you're an AMC bull, this is what you want to see, baby. All right, because we're seeing a higher low right here, right? We're seeing a bottom here. Now we're seeing a higher low, and now we're setting up for the next level here. So we're seeing little steps here, right? Doink, doink, doink. Every step is a higher high and a higher low for AMC. So this means that AMC bulls are doing phenomenal. All right, I called this morning. I was saying, you know what? If it can break 60.58 and then get around to about 63.50 right here, right? But of course, it broke 60.58, and at 63.50, it got rejected and it pulled back. So definitely something to watch out for if you're an AMC bull, okay? All right. So let's go ahead and check out the daily here and see how we did for a day here, all right? So let's see. Let's go ahead and do a quick recap. Okay, so. All right, AMC opened at $54. Okay, the low was $52.98 and the high was $63.83. So that's quite a range here. From the low to the high, you're seeing about an $11 difference. So as you know, currently AMC is still in the spotlight. So that means there's tons of marketing there, and there's tons of liquidity, aka day traders. When you see lots of day traders, they push a price up and they push a price down in extremes. So when you see the trend up, the day traders will buy it bullish here. When you see the AMC stock going down, well, these same day traders, if they have the ability to short, they will short as well, because they have no allegiance to you or I or the cause. They're just here to do one thing, and that's to make some money, whether it goes up or down. So day traders usually create liquidity. And when you see AMC, the meme stock, having this kind of momentum and this sort of publicity and marketing, well, you're going to see extreme moves up and extreme moves down. So be prepared for that volatility. But I suspect many of the apes are used to the volatility. If you are used to trading cryptocurrencies, then trading stocks should be no different. If anything, it's probably more calm, because in cryptos, you can see sharper moves up and down. All right then. So of course, I need you guys to be careful, okay, with your AMC holdings. All right, always be careful and look out for numero uno, yourself. All right, don't worry about what I say. Don't worry about what anyone says. Only worry about you. All right. So if you want to buy, buy. If you want to sell, sell. Okay. There is no right or wrong here. You just gotta make sure you are on the right side of the trade. Okie dokie. So, and usually the best place to buy is at a support, and the best place to sell is a resistance. All right, it's not a guarantee where you see this kind of continue going up or continue going down, but you have to roll the punches and be adaptable and be flexible, because when news change, well, I hope you move with the news here and you don't get stubborn. All right, because your trade is a trade. Don't make it into an investment. So let's check it out now. Okay, so oops, let's go back to the 4 hour perspective here, right? So we're seeing tons of weakness above, anywhere above 60.50 and above here, right? 60.50 to about 63.50. In that $3 range here, you are seeing a sell-off in that part of the range currently. But I suspect since the bulls were able to go up into 60.58, however though, the only bearish thing here for AMC today is that it closed below the resistance. So that means AMC bulls overnight and the day traders, they said, you know what, I've been here before. and I don't trust it, so I'm gonna sell some and move on and wait for the next day here for it to pull back and then pop back up. So that's been a trade for AMC lately, right? Buy the dips, sell the rips. And as you know, I said the exact same thing for Dogecoin when it had all the momentum, where all eyes were on Dogecoin, and now all eyes are AMC. So same idea, you buy the rip, you buy the dips, and you sell the rips, okay? All right, so let's see on a 1 hour here. All right, on the 1 hour for AMC, let's see where the resistance will be around 62.88, okay? All right, so watch out for 62.88. All right, that's gonna be your resistance zone for AMC. It's been there once, twice, 3 times now, and every time it gets pulled back afterwards. There were times where it kind of broke out and above it, but I suspect this time will be a little different, because this time we're seeing new bases move up at the same time, and you're seeing new consolidation for these higher bases. So to me, this tells me AMC is ready to rocket past 62.88 and make that into a support instead of resistance, possibly tomorrow. But tomorrow is Friday, and usually with Fridays, if you're a day trader and not a long-term ape or hodler, you may not want to hold into the weekend and open up on Monday red. So tomorrow may be a little wishy-washy, but that's okay though. All right, that's okay, because you heard it here first, and I'm telling you what's gonna happen. All right, so tomorrow, if the bulls can break 62.88 tomorrow, that means we can possibly test 67.21. But if we get around to 67.21, I suspect that even if we get around there, we may reject and pull back behind it, okay? Because again, it'll be a Friday, and there will be some weakness, because as I said before, people don't want to hold into the weekend if they're just day trading in AMC. And you best believe there are tons of AMC day traders here, and as you know, there are tons of AMC apes. So it just depends on which group you're in, and you can trade accordingly. Pamela A. Woods, hey John, love your jabbering of opportunities, keep it up. Wish you'd stream longer sometimes. Right. Thank you, Pamela Woods. I try to keep it short so people can watch it real quick and not be stuck here for the whole time, because I'm only covering AMC and Dogecoin, so there isn't too much to go over in terms of charts. Most of the time, I just end up chatting with you guys, which is fantastic as well. But for other people watching videos, you know, after a live stream, they may not watch it because it's too long. So I will try to find a fine balance though. Okay, Pamela Woods, I do appreciate that comment. Thank you so much for that. All right, so let's go ahead and cover Dogecoin, my first love now. Okay, we've covered AMC. I gave you the support and resistance, so you know how to plan accordingly now. All right, let's do Dogecoin, baby. Okay. Alrighty then, let's do Dogecoin, baby. All right, Dogecoin on the daily. All right, today's Agora ribbon here is at about 24.55. So it's moved up about 0.002 points, which is fantastic. And as you know, that's pretty typical. Today, Dogecoin range is from 300 all the way up to a whopping 310. A 1 cent. A 1 cent range for the day. That is fantastic. The range is so narrow for Dogecoin, it's almost comical. I remember days when Dogecoin had many pennies here in the range. Now it's only 1 cent or 2 cents. Oh man, the days of Dogecoin having big ranges, I miss those days, but that's okay. Hey Christina Ashley, what's up? Now, as you know, Dogecoin will have their day again. Every dog will have their day again, all right? We just need to be patient and wait for it to come back to us. And as you know, I've been saying it for some time here, the AMC holders, the AMC apes, when they walk away with that hedgy money, okay? When they walk away from the hedgy money, they're gonna come back to, they will flow back into Dogecoin, and they will rocket it back to the moon, and all eyes will be on Dogecoin again. Of course, this is purely my opinion, but as you know, every dog has its day, and Dogecoin will have its day again. It's only a matter of when, not if. And don't worry, they will be coming, okay? They will be coming. I believe in February or late January to about maybe end of March, early April, about a 2 months, maybe about 10-week span of trading sideways and being boring here. And then there was tons of news catalysts coming out, and we saw Dogecoin starting to rocket. So you best believe there will be some more catalysts for Dogecoin. Dogecoin isn't going anywhere. Today I was watching TV, right, on the CNBC, you know, those money shows about finance, and you're still seeing Dogecoin listed next to Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's see, Bitcoin, Ethereum. What else is there? Litecoin and Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is still in the mainstream media here for the most part, okay? So don't worry about it. If you're like me, a long-term Doge hodler, I would say there's nothing to fear. Just being a little boring, and you know what? When it's boring, that's a great time to accumulate, because I guarantee you, in 2 months' time or 3 months' time here, people are gonna say, my God, why didn't I buy 30 cents? And they will never, ever see 30 cents ever again. Just like we never saw 4 to 6 cents ever again here, right? We saw accumulation for a long time. After that, we never ever saw it again. Even today, we're still 30 cents here, right? About 6 times more than 4 to 5 cents back in the day 2 months ago. So just to give us some perspective here, so I suspect we will see a similar phenomenon. The question is when and not if, okay? Just be patient, buy dips, and always budget accordingly. Don't go crazy and do not go all in. And in my opinion, you will be doing just A-okay and fine for Dogecoin, all right? Okay, so, and as you know, don't forget, folks, buying begets buying, and you're gonna see tons of people FOMO at the mouth, and they're gonna buy high, and then they're gonna come back a month or two later and get mad at Hey Jon, saying, hey bro, why'd I buy it? It's all your fault. I'm carrying heavy bags now. It's all your fault, bro. Why'd you tell me to buy it for? And I'm gonna say, bro, I don't give anyone financial advice. I never tell you to buy or sell. I only share with you what I do, and I like to buy dips and sell rips. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. But I encourage everyone to do the research around there. So let's go ahead and go back into Dogecoin, into the 4-hour perspective. The 4-hour perspective to sound like to see what's going down. No. Well, you call it what you want. All I'm saying is, you know what? I like to buy dips and sell rips. Okay. And I always encourage you to do some research around there. I give you supports and resistance, and you can act accordingly. It's that simple. So as you can see now, we're still trading on the downward trend line, literally trading it to a T. To me, this looks like a bot just trading it down and selling a few tokens here and there, a few coins here and there, just to keep that straight line down. And to me, that looks like pure manipulation. The last time we saw a similar pattern to this, we saw a flash crash. As you know, this weekend we're gonna have a Dogecoin NASCAR race. So that could be our catalyst to see a flash crash up instead of a flash crash down. As you know, there are no guarantees in life, but man, it could happen. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball or anything, but ooh, 1 second. Oh, By the way, I found this item, I picked it up. It's so cute. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you guys see it right here? I'm not sure you can see it here. This thing is so cute. Oh my God, it is so cute and lights up too. I'm like, oh, sold. I just want to take a quick detour to show it to you guys, this because I love it. It is so dang cute. I love it. It's basically a dumpling. It's basically a dumpling with happy face and it lights up. I was like, you know what? I had to buy this, bro. It's too cute. So it's going back on the bookshelf now. My little dumpling that lights up. I know, little detour. Sorry, folks. I thought it was super cute. I wanted to share it real quick. Hopefully you guys and gals like cute things too. If not, it's okay. But I love cute things. That's how I love Dogecoin, because it's so dang cute. All right, so let's see. On a 4-hour time frame, we're still trading sideways. Oh, well, not sideways, but trading downwards onto the downward trend. You can see the Agora ribbon here. All right, the Agora ribbon around 3318 will be your resistance in the near term, so watch out for that. And I do wonder though, what happens, what would happen if the Dogecoin NASCAR car wins the race or gets in the top 10 or top 5 or whatever's? I think if that happens, we may see some resurgence and some volume coming into the weekend for Dogecoin, right? Because everyone likes to buy a winner and nobody likes to buy a loser. So you know what? I may leave it for that. This weekend, we could see a potential bounce this weekend due to the NASCAR race. And as you know, well, I'm not sure if you guys know or not, but I was reading a fascinating article the other day, and people from the South or more conservative, they tend to lean towards cryptocurrencies because it's kind of a way to escape the government for the most part. And as you know, well, I'm not sure you guys know or not, but at least I know, usually for folks who like NASCAR, not to stereotype or anything, but usually folks that like NASCAR, they're also usually a little bit more conservative, as well. So this could be a nice temporary bullish cause for Dogecoin. Just food for thought. Of course, not a guarantee or anything. Just some food for thought here. So I suspect that if Dogecoin can get it to a top 10 or top 5 and get some traction in terms of being more visible, I think Dogecoin can have a very good weekend. But again, you know, it's one of those things there for the most part. A little bit of conjecture, a little speculation, but it never hurts, right? The thing is that even if I speculate or give you some conjecture, I do give the rationale behind it. So, all right. So let's go into a 1 hour time frame and see what's going on now. Okay, the 1 hour here. All right. Now we're sorry, folks. A little dry weather today, you know. All right. So now on the 1 hour here, we can see the Agora reaction ribbon around 315, and now it's trending down. So this tells me we're gonna see more price pressure to the downside. It's unfortunate. I don't like saying bearish news or bad things about AMC or bad things about Dogecoin, but when you come to my channel, I give you the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? I give you the truth. I'm not here to hype it up. I'm not here to create FUD or anything. I'm just here to give you what I see on the charts. So some folks appreciate that, some folks don't. So I hopefully, if you're watching it, I hope you do appreciate that. I don't like to give anyone false hope or hopium. So Let's see here. Louis Avalar says, "Hey John, have you sold any of your Doge?" Nope. At Louis Avalar, I have not sold one Dogecoin. Not at all, because I believe in Dogecoin, and I believe in Dogecoin going to Uranus, Pluto, Mars, wherever you think of it's going. That's where I believe it's going. All right. So again, we are trading sideways and right onto the downward trend line. We are literally hugging it to a T. But again, I believe this weekend could be different, right? Tomorrow's Friday, and then after that'll be Saturday and Sunday. So I think the NASCAR race could be a prime rise up for us. No guarantees, okay, folks? No guarantees. I gave you my rationale. If you didn't hear it, please go ahead and rewind it, okay? All right. So that will pretty much conclude my Dogecoin and AMC analysis for the evening update. So of course, make sure if you're new, you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, so when I go live, you get these hits. I will catch you all on the next one. Take care and stay safe. And my God, it is hot.